How to start digital marketing with no experience, invest in yourself and earn $900 per day. Imagine earning $900 a day with just 2 hours of work, no experience needed. Sound impossible? It's not. Thousands of beginners are already doing it, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started. Ready? Let's dive in. Today, I'm going to share a step-by-step blueprint to help you launch a profitable digital marketing business even if you have zero experience. By the time we're done, you'll know how to start earning daily income online by working just 2 hours a day. And the best part? This system has already worked for over 40,800 beginners worldwide as part of the Legacy Builders program. Stick with me, and you'll learn how to tap into their success too. Click the link in the description to get started on your journey. Now, let's break this down into clear, actionable steps. These steps aren't just theories, they're the exact strategies used by thousands of people just like you to build their digital marketing business. Step 1. Invest in yourself now. I know some of you might hesitate at the idea of spending money on a program. I get it. But let me ask you this. If you wanted to learn how to cook a gourmet meal, wouldn't you want a recipe from a top chef? It's the same with digital marketing. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, you need to follow a proven system. A friend of mine, Sarah, was just like anyone else. She was a stay-at-home mom with no experience in digital marketing. She took a leap and invested in the Legacy Builders program. Within just a few months, she went from knowing nothing about marketing to earning enough to cover all her bills and mortgage each month, working only a couple of hours a day. That's the power of investing in yourself. Step 2. Learn from successful mentors. You can have all the tools, but without the right guidance, it's like wandering through a maze blindfolded. That's why learning from successful mentors is crucial. These aren't just any mentors, they're people who've already made millions using the exact strategies they teach. Take Mike, for example. He started out as a construction worker and knew nothing about online businesses. But he had one thing: a willingness to learn. With the guidance of the mentors in the Legacy Builders program, he quickly turned his side hustle into a full-time income and quit his job. The mentors showed him exactly how to build and grow his business step by step, saving him years of trial and error. Step 3. Join a supportive community. You don't have to go through this journey alone. One of the most powerful aspects of the Legacy Builders program is its supportive community of over 40,800 members worldwide. You'll be surrounded by people just like you, beginners looking to break into digital marketing and create a better life for themselves. I remember a story about Jessica, who was feeling stuck, overwhelmed, and ready to give up after a few setbacks. But when she shared her frustrations in the community, she received an outpouring of support from members who had been through the same thing. With their encouragement and advice, she pushed through and started seeing results. You'll never be alone in this program, you'll have a network of people rooting for you. Step 4. Follow the blueprint. Now here's where it gets really exciting. You'll have access to a step-by-step blueprint that's perfect for beginners. Whether you're working full-time or juggling a busy lifestyle, this system is designed to fit into just 2 hours a day. You'll learn how to leverage simple digital marketing strategies like affiliate marketing, email marketing, and content creation to start generating income fast. Think about this. 2 hours a day could change your entire financial future. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. The blueprint will guide you through every step, so you always know what to do next. Step 5. Commit to taking action. Here's the thing. You can have the best blueprint, the best mentors, and the most supportive community, but none of it will matter if you don't take action. Success doesn't come to those who just watch and wait, it comes to those who decide to go for it. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting for the perfect time to start. But the truth is, there's never a perfect time. If you want to be earning extra income by the holidays, you need to start now. Commit to just 2 hours a day and watch how quickly things start to change for you. Let me ask you, have you ever struggled with making money online or felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there? Drop a comment below and tell me your biggest challenge. I'll be answering every single one personally. And if you're ready to finally make a change and start earning $900 a day online, type yes in the comments right now. If you're serious about changing your life and building a profitable online business, the time to start is today. Don't let another year go by without taking action. Click the link in the description to learn more about the Legacy Builders program, where you'll get step-by-step training, guidance from successful mentors, and join a community of over 40,800 members worldwide. With the right system in place, you could be earning $900 a day with just 2 hours of work. So why wait? Invest in yourself today and take the first step toward financial freedom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.